Well, welcome to week 2. In week 2, we are going to start on something we do all semester. It's writing reflections, because reflections help you think about what you've learned and what you're going to do with what you learned. So, on week 2, we have the lecture, a sample of the Driscoll reflections, an explanation about your writing circles. Now, writing circles are not something that you're graded doing a collaborative project. Writing circles are put together so you can find someone to do a discussion post, the response to students, to work on drafting. Here's the readings for the week, and of course the extra credit. So let's see what we're doing this week. It's learning through reflection, a definition of what reflective writing is. The readings are all from our textbook, and it tells you where to find them. And you're going to read these, and you're going to write a Driscoll reflection on them. Here are the 5 areas of it. And remember, there is a sample of this, conclusion. And then you're going to have a student response for each one. This is where you find somebody in your group that you want to respond to. If not, then you have your backup plan. You find somebody in the whole class and respond to them. Even if they have another response, you respond to them, because that's your responsibility to respond to somebody else. And copy and paste into Canvas, no file attachments. And then extra credit opportunity and our submissions and feedback guidelines. Okay, that's all I have for this week. I hope you're having a good week. Bye.